Vertex BD is a BIM software for wood and cold-formed steel framing. To get started, you can either import existing architectural plans and 3D models created with other CAD software into Vertex BD, or create a BIM model of the building from scratch using the drafting tools of Vertex BD. Once the architectural model is complete, you can set the rules for how to frame the walls, floors, roofs and ceilings. Vertex BD is delivered with industry-standard material libraries, framing details and rules, all of which can be modified if needed. You can configure panel lengths, connection details, profile sizes, stud spacing, opening details, insulation and so on. Once the configuration is complete, Vertex BD automatically generates a framing model based on the framing rules that you have provided. Once the framing model is complete, the software automatically generates the panel fabrication drawings and cutting lists within seconds. The fabrication drawings include labelled pieces, cross-section views, dimensions, 3D views, sheathing information and panel weights. Accurate piece lists are automatically generated as well. The fabrication drawings are fully editable. By automating these processes, you can execute many of the repetitive tasks, not only to speed up your design process, but eliminate mistakes at the construction site. Vertex BD handles design changes with ease. For example, if you need to change the location of any component, or change a panel height, length or framing accessory, Vertex BD automatically updates the BIM model, drawings and reports to reflect your changes. Vertex BD also generates framing for floors, ceilings and roofs. The process is identical as seen earlier. You just set your framing rules and Vertex BD generates a framing model and fabrication drawings within seconds. The software also generates accurate material reports and cutting lists. Vertex BD has a large selection of material report templates to choose from, and the material reports can be modified if needed. Fabricators using Vertex BD can also export data directly to manufacturing equipment to minimize errors in production. All these elements create a fully connected design and manufacturing process, saving a considerable amount of design, detailing and estimation time, while minimizing errors at the construction site. Join thousands of companies that are making it happen with us already.